I love making these toast breakfast. Guys, our house is so cold right now. Granted, I'm in this like little night dress, but I was about to do this intro and I swear like I'm shaking. Like I need to get under the covers. Anyways, guys, I hope I don't get any makeup on my white sheets. But hello, welcome back to another video. Are we zoomed in? No, we're not. I thought we were zoomed in. But welcome back to another video. So for today's video is just going to be a vlog. I basically just got up this morning, did my makeup because I have a lot of content to shoot today. And isn't it so crazy? I feel like I do the same exact steps pretty much every single day, yet my makeup looks different every day. Granted, I'm not wearing lashes today, and I feel like when I wear lashes, it does change the way I look a little bit, but I feel like my makeup looks so different when I literally did the exact same steps than I usually do. Does anybody else feel like that, or is it just me? Okay, so I'm like the #1 person to preach to make your bed every morning, and I didn't make it this morning, but see what happens when you don't make it? You crawl back into bed. And now I could probably lay here for hours and just scroll on my phone. And it's going to take everything out of me to get up and not do that. But our bed is so comfortable, you guys. Like, let me just rest for a second. Let me just rest my eyes. Do you know what this is reminding me of right now, guys? I had a friend, okay? I had a friend back in the day who wouldn't wash off her makeup at night and she would wear it the next day. And I wouldn't understand that. Like, she would just touch it up barely, but her makeup looked perfect the next day. Like, winged eyeliner to the gods, you know, no foundation came off. Like, her makeup looked so good. And finally, we went on an overnight trip and I saw how she slept. She literally slept like this. You guys, are you ready? With both hands. So literally, she slept on her back like this, face up like this. I'm a stomach sleeper, so I literally just wake up with like my head like into the pillow. But it made sense to me because I'm like, oh, since she sleeps on her back and she's like facing up and her face isn't like rubbing on the pillows and rubbing on the mattress, that's why her makeup looks so good. And you can save a bunch of time and not do your makeup. On the topic of re-wearing your makeup, honestly, if I got my makeup done by these like big name makeup artists, like if Makeup by Mario did my makeup, like I'm keeping that shit on for like 3 days. I heard his rate is like literally insane, like in the thousands. So I'm like, if I'm paying thousands for a glam, I need at least 4-day wear. I actually had one of my makeup artist friends tell me that he noticed on a girl's story because he did her makeup, he noticed that she wore her makeup for 3 days straight. 3 days, and he's like, it still look good, but people do that, okay? It might sound weird and gross, but people actually do that. But now I'm just going off on a tangent. Let me get up, make my bed, make my coffee. Mel and Kayvon are just playing in his room while I did my makeup. I think they went to Chick-fil-A this morning. They're just having a little daddy and son day. But yeah, I'm just gonna make my bed, drink some coffee, and then get to work. But uh-oh. Uh-oh, I heard him say uh-oh from all the way down the hall. Uh-oh. Bunny. Good. Come here, you little rascal.
Get some Chick-fil-A for breakfast. That's what happens when daddy's in charge.
Yeah. You guys, I make Von's breakfast every single morning. That's like my thing that I do. This morning I didn't because I wanted to get straight into doing my makeup so I get straight into work. So every morning I make sure he has fruit, a protein in his breakfast, carbs and fat. Like I make sure he has all of that in his breakfast. And today was the day Mel was going to make him breakfast. And what does he do? He takes him to Chick-fil-A.
Hey, I didn't feel like making breakfast for myself. Didn't feel like making breakfast for him.
I love making him breakfast. I love making these toast breakfast. So lately his breakfast has been, he eats 2 clementines, like 2 cuties, a banana. And then I got him these plant-based breakfast sausages. So he loves eating that scrambled with an egg and some cheese.
Today he had mac and cheese, waffle fries, and chicken.
Literally, he barely, I was like, at least did he eat the chicken? I was like, no, he mainly ate the waffle fries. Kayvon loves fries. I'm worried about how much Kayvon loves fries, guys.
I'm gonna eat the chicken for lunch, guys.
What? Let's see if I'm texting any boyfriends.
No, let's send the Reebok pictures.
Don't click on Pizza Hut on my contact list.
If you are texting somebody else, that means you can be somebody else's headache.
You're so mean. I'm your headache? Why do you love me?
You and that little rockhead boy over there.
Guys, I feel so bad for Mel. Like, he cannot have a snack to himself anymore because, like, Kayvon and I will be coming out the woodwork like, let me get a bite. Let me get a bite.
They all eat my stuff. They eat my snacks. They take all my time. They always need something from me.
Well, you're the man of this house. Crack my back.
It's a hard job being a husband these days.
Crack my back.
What are you looking at, Mom?
Oh, yeah. Kayvon's laughing. Where's Daddy?
What do you have to say to the people? Thank you. Wise words from Kayvon.
Almond milk creamer, sweet cream.
I actually thought I was getting something different when I got that.
They just repackaged it, didn't they?
Yeah, this is like a creamer that Nazanin and I have been getting for a while. And I thought I was getting something new because it says almond sweet cream at the top, and it usually never says the almond part. So I thought it was like an almond flavored sweet cream and not an almond milk creamer, which is what we usually get anyway.
That aesthetic.
Not at all.
So I just made my iced coffee. I'm just gonna drink this while I finish up the rest of my hair and makeup. But before we move on to the rest of this video, I just wanna give a huge shout out to SHEIN for partnering with me for today's video. You guys know I've been rocking with SHEIN for such a long time now. I actually did a collection with them this past Valentine's Day, which was so much fun. So I'm working with them again for this Mother's Day. So speaking of Mother's Day, it might even be Mother's Day when you guys are watching this video. And if so, happy Mother's Day to everybody watching this video. I can't believe it's my second Mother's Day. Like I still haven't comprehended the fact that I'm a mom. Does anybody else feel like that? Like when does it hit that you're like, wait, I'm actually a mother? Like I'm telling you guys, I'm still 16 in my head. Like it's so crazy. But just becoming a mother honestly changed me so much for the better. It has made me such a stronger woman. In a way, like more independent. It's made me so resilient. We all know that moms sacrifice a lot for us, but it really doesn't hit you and you really don't understand until you become a mother yourself. I have this crazy new appreciation for my mother that of course I've always loved my mom, but now being a mother myself, like I truly understand how much mothers do for their kids and how much, you know, we sacrifice and just this whole new love that I just never even knew was possible. So I'm really excited to work with SHEIN again for their Mother's Day campaign, and they really want all the moms watching this to spoil themselves and take care of themselves. And they gave me this code to give to you guys to be able to treat yourselves with a little something nice. So you guys can use my code It's Nazanin to get 15% off your order. I'll put on the screen and the description box down below. But SHEIN really is a one-stop shop, you guys. Not only do they have women's clothing, but they also have men's clothing, baby clothing, toddler clothing, kid clothing, and home decor and beauty. They literally have everything. So speaking of kids clothing, Kayvon actually is going to be doing a little try on haul for you guys. Once he wakes up from his nap, he just went down, but they just have the cutest clothes for toddlers as well. So I really can't wait for you guys to see him in all of his outfits, and everything we'll be showing in today's video will be linked down below for you guys to shop. And the great thing about SHEIN too is that they have free shipping on orders over $49, and you also get 45 days to return anything that doesn't work out. So make sure you guys shop using my links down below and also use my code, and after I finish my hair and makeup, you can get into a little try on haul. Here's the first fit I have to show you guys from SHEIN. You guys know I love just my baggy t-shirts. So I got this nude baggy t-shirt that just says Los Angeles in black. And I love the way this tee fits, you guys. It's so perfect. I knew this was gonna be oversized, so I got it in a small. I like my oversized tops to fit not too oversized, if that makes sense. So I usually tend to get them in a small or extra small. And then these jeans are so freaking cute. I love this giant pocket on the sides, and I love the color as well. You guys know it's pretty hard for me to find jeans that fit my butt and waist, and this one has a little bit of gapping, as you guys can see. Obviously with a big T on top, you can't really notice it, but if I was to wear the pants with like a crop top, I just have to get this bit like tailored in, because other than that, these jeans fit perfectly. They're the perfect length, perfect color, and everything else fits really nice. So I love this tee on the site so much that I actually got in brown too. So here's the tee in brown with white letters, and again, this is just like a typical fit for me. I'll just wear some baggy jeans, baggy t-shirt, and then it's all about the accessories. That's how you dress it up. So I'll probably wear some hoops, lots of necklaces, and you just look so put together, but you're still super duper comfortable. And then then I also got this lime green top. This color is so cute for this spring and summer, and it has a little tie right here. It doesn't cinch or anything. This is really just here for decoration. And then it has kind of like this corset detailing. I'm not gonna lie, this top makes the girls look ginormous, but I really do love this top. It's so cute for this summer. And then the next item I have to show you guys is this bodysuit right here. It is just a high neck nude bodysuit. What is it about these tops making my girls look ginormous? But this is just paired with the same pair of jeans, and again, you can just accessorize this or wear it with a jacket or whatever, and this is just nice to have in your closet as a staple and a basic for this spring and summer. So next outfit right here, we have this all nude moment going on. So I switched out of those blue jeans into this nude pair of pants. Again, these fit so nice. A little bit of gapping in the back. These actually don't gap as much as the jeans that I just wore, but the length is perfect. Everything else fits perfect, and I love, love, love this color. So this new top too, it kind of looks inside out because you guys can see the seams, but I really love this outfit. Just this outfit together as a whole, I think it's a really cute, you know, monochromatic look. Guys, I just realized these pants would look so cute with that brown top I showed you guys at the beginning. Like, look how cute they look together. So here is the next top I have to show you guys, and I really, really wish I got in a size medium. This is in a size large. I'm pretty sure, like, I can't think of why I got this in a large because I typically do wear a medium, so I'm guessing that maybe medium was out of stock, so large was like the only option. But with this top, as you guys can see, I am wearing my bra with it. Like, you aren't really supposed to wear a bra with it because it's a large. It doesn't, you know, suck it in. But either way, I love this top. This is such a cute top. I'm honestly thinking about just ordering it again in a medium or just exchanging it because I love it so much, especially this color with these pants. I remember I ordered these together, like to wear together. Here's the next top on. You guys already know I love funky necklines like this. Like, I love little cutouts or off the shoulder tops. And I just got this little crop top in nude. I know like all I'm showing you guys are like tops and pants right now, but I do have some dresses, so stay tuned for some dresses. But I really do love this. It fits really nice, and I love that I can still wear a bra with it and I can't see the strap, you know, peek through the cutout. Like, this cutout was put in a very good place. So this next top is so cool. It's just this black ribbed tank top, but all throughout it, we have these safety pins. So these are actual safety pins, you guys. It's so cool and edgy. I was thinking about wearing this top with like leather pants or black jeans or something like that. But when I saw the safety pins, I'm just like, wow, like that's so cool and different. So next up, I have this two-piece lounge set. You guys know I love my loungewear in the house. So it is just this gray top and bottom set, and I love the top because it has this slit right here. Like, it really just adds something to it. But guys, this is so comfortable, and I just love still looking cute around the house because it's so easy to feel unmotivated if you're just in your pajamas all day. Like, if I wake up and I just wear my pajamas all day, like, I'm not getting anything done. So just switching into something like this really just helps motivate me, and I just feel so much cuter. So now we're finally moving on to dresses. So I got this brown bodycon dress, and it's just a high neck. So I got this in a size large. I kind of wish I got in a medium just so it cinches me a little bit more. I swear they need a size like right in between a medium and large. Like, can we invent that, please? Because that's what I feel like I am. So with me, like with dresses, I like to get a large because if they're too short, like, I'm not gonna wear them. So I do like my dresses to be a bit longer. But lengthwise, this is perfect. I love the chocolate brown. You guys know I'm all about the brown. This is probably my favorite item from the whole haul. I only have this and then one more dress left, so I can confidently say that. But I love the colors of this dress. I just feel like this type of coloring and like the watercolors and the pattern is just super on trend right now. And I love the halter style for the dress. I'm actually going to Miami in a few weeks, so I feel like this would be perfect to take with me to Miami, but I just love it. It's not too short. I hate when dresses are too short, like they come like right here, but this one has a good length on it, goes past my thumbs. Remember back in like high school, middle school, the dress code, your like, shorts have to go past your thumbs or whatever. But anyways, I just love, love, love this dress. It's perfect. Okay, so I know I said that last dress was my favorite from the haul, but I think it might be this one. I actually really like this one as well. I like the neckline of this one. I like how it's kind of cinched. The other one was more straight. But I love this pink color. I've been super into bright colors lately, which is such a big change for me because you guys know it's all about my neutrals. But I love this pink color. This is definitely something I'll be taking to Miami with me as well. But that's everything I picked up from SHEIN, you guys. Again, links to everything will be down below. Vaughn is still taking a nap, so once he wakes up, he's going to do his little try-on haul for you guys. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so cute. But again, links to everything I showed in today's video is going to be down below. And don't forget to use my code, it's Nazanin, to get 15% off your whole order. So here is Kayvon's first fit to show you guys. So we have this basketball jersey, right, babe? So we got a jersey and some matching shorts. By the way, guys, he's wearing a 2T. So it's a little bit big. Yeah, so sometimes 2Ts fit him perfectly. Sometimes they're a little bit big. Like the pants are a little bit big. But I feel like with basketball shorts, they can be longer. Kayvon's next fit. Yeah! To your model walk. Kayvon's next outfit. So he's wearing this 2-piece green set. So it has the t-shirt with palm trees. Bunny, wake up. Mel just took a 15-minute nap in the car. So we're about to get some hibachi. You guys know we love hibachi. Who is texting me right now? Yasmin. You guys know we love hibachi. Honestly, when Mel and I first started dating, I was not that into hibachi. He was. Like, that's where we would go for, like, his birthday and stuff. And now he has me addicted to it. And I literally crave it all the time. I feel like we have not... Nowhere tops, like, the places we have back home.
Yeah.
Like,
Kobe
House of
back
Japan...
home? No, Kobe was way better.
I don't really eat at Kobe. I'd always go to House of Japan.
Kobe was...
For my for our Columbus viewers, House of Japan on Polaris, Kobe by Easton, and then Fujiyama. Fujiyama's okay. They have a good lunch special.
What's it called?
Genji.
Not Genji Go, the regular store.
I've never been to the regular Genji. But regardless, we're big hibachi lovers. And honestly, on like long work days like this, like we hate cooking, honestly. That's the last thing we want to do is like have to cook and then clean the kitchen. Oh my gosh, I'm not in the mood for that. And the thing is, am I the only person like this? But I hate cooking, like starting the process of cooking if the kitchen is not clean. So then that means I would have to clean the kitchen and then cook and then clean the kitchen again. And it's not that day. It is not one of those days, y'all. Kayvon also had a long work day. He deserves a little compensation for his hard work. By the way, Vaughn and I are wearing our outfits from SHEIN. I'm wearing that Los Angeles nude tee. Then Vaughn is wearing that one dark green palm tree set. We're at the park. Park, yay!
Yeah!
Kayvon and Mel are eating their dessert. Kayvon's dessert is the Stonyfield baby yogurt and pear with some granola, and then Mel's having yogurt and granola too. He's having our favorite Noosa yogurt. Show him. It's the vanilla bean one.
Oh, vanilla bean, Noosa, and some granola?
My dessert was 2 little mini Twix. That's what I had. So after Kayvon finishes his yogurt, I'm going to give him a little bath. I'm not washing his hair. I actually don't wash his hair nearly as often as I used to. I probably wash his hair like once every like over a week, honestly. Because it's so much better for his curls. I could just tell his curls were getting so dry. I even switched to like curly hair products now. Like he uses like a curly haired shampoo and conditioner too.
Habibi.
Habibi. He said Habibi.
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 Kayvon speaks Arabic now too, apparently.
Habibi.
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 Habibi. Habibi's ting.
Habibi.
Do you hear yourself?